Let's take a look today at this kind of edges and corners all around, and there's a large area of grounding in the center. QFP package chip. How to solder. First, give the ground point on the PCB board. Apply a thin layer of tin. And then we put a little tin on the ground of the chip. Remember not to have too much, a little is enough. Place the little tin on the edge silver corner for positioning in a while. Then preheat the board. Just wait for the solder with central grounding to melt. Add a little solder oil to the solder when heating. Easy to melt and after solder. The chip better fits into the ground. After the welding system melts, align the chip with the C condensation angle and place it on the PCB board. Every lead angle has to be aligned, can't be misplaced. Fix the galvanized silver horn with a soldering iron. It doesn't matter if the chip is a little warped at this time. Then heat the chip with a heat gun. After the fine melting, the chip will naturally fit to the PCB. When heating, let the chip heat evenly. Don't blow hard at a point. During this period, if the chip is ectopic, calibration should be done in time. After the grounding point is fitted, start desweeting the chip. Don't worry when you sweat off. To mop up the sweat in every silver horn. Deperspiration complete. Clean the chip. Check if there is any short circuit or welding in the shadow corner. The video is here. Thank you for watching.